Alright, we're back on the winter logging job. Used to be some perfectly good trees here, and we went through and nuked them. And now we're going to beautify the area right next to this person's driveway. So we're going to pull a bunch of stumps out, get all the roots, do a bunch of regrading, and we're going to install, I think, 15 of the emerald green arborvitae bushes so that they can grow into a bit of a hedgerow. So let's get started. Alright, we brought in some compost to mix in with the woods dirt. Guys had the bushes in place, ready to go. So they recommend like a 1/3 compost, 2/3 native soil mix for these arborvitae. So I was helping the guys mix it in. You can't see the dump truck, but I'm scooping out of the dump truck and placing it where they want it, so they can backfill the trench, mix it up well, and then once they get that done, they'll cut the burlap sacks open on the root balls so they can grow. And while I was doing that, I was shaping the bank and re-establishing the ditch. I moved the driveway over, give them extra couple of feet of parking. So, but I guess we used a couple yards of compost. So Should be really nice in the end. These guys are working a lot harder than I do. Sometimes I'm not sure if I want to be the boss and have to worry about everything every day, or just run a shovel. And I can tell you that running a shovel definitely looks appealing, except for when it's hot or cold. all done. Driveway's all done. Arborvitaes are all in, mulched. Brian got the slope seeded and starter fertilized and put the straw mat down. We got the ditch all shaped. Brought in about 30 ton of crushed gravel. Got that all graded and rolled, and everybody's happy. We'll be back here in another month or so to finish cutting the rest of the pine trees. You can see a couple of them in the background up there. There's another couple load there. Overall, all the stuff around the house. There's Holly, making sure she's the center of attention. But plantings are not our forte. We'll do them if they're part of a larger scope of work. I don't mind doing them. That's just not my cup of tea. Anyway, catch you on the next one.